Hi guys, it's me, Ebony Latoya, and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I blow dry my hair, my nice, lovely 4C coils. So if you are interested in watching how I like to blow dry my hair, then keep watching. Okay, so how do I blow dry my hair? It's a really easy process now that I have a new blow dryer, and I'm going to show you the blow dryer that I have now. So this bad boy right here is my new blow dryer. It is the Revlon One Step Pro collection. It's a little bit different from the ones that you've usually seen on social media right now and on a lot of Naturalista's page, where it's just the paddle brush. This one is actually an oval shape and it is really nice. I've used it a few times and it really gives me that stretch that I need. Make sure to follow me on Snapchat and also on Instagram. A week ago, I actually posted how I blow dry my hair on my Insta stories. So I had like a little clip of the things that I do to blow dry my hair. So if you missed that, then you definitely need to be following me so you don't miss any more mini tutorials that I have on my Insta story. I bought it 2 weeks ago and I've been using it for the past 2 weeks and I absolutely love it. I would give this an 8 out of 10. It is just really well thought of. It's oval shape and round so that you can actually curl the ends of your hair or give it a little bump at the end of your hair once it's actually nice and blown out. The only thing that I didn't really like about it is that I didn't realize when I purchased it that it had bristles inside. So I find that the bristles really pull my hair strands and I don't recommend using this on like a weekly basis. I would use this just once in a while. But I also didn't like the bottom here. If, like, let's say for example you're using a heat protectant or heat protectant that's really heavy or a little bit oily, it sometimes is hard to move the settings and actually the settings on the bottom here actually wiped off and went away. So I don't remember which was which, but obviously you could feel the heat of each temperature. So I had like a cool setting, I had a low heat and a high heat, and then I had the off button. But because I've used it twice actually, it faded away and it came off. So I didn't like that. And once your hands get a little bit oily or a little bit messy with product, it is hard to move this lever here to switch the settings. So that's what I found about it, but apart from that, everything is literally good. So I only feel like it's best learning while doing. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to use this type of Revlon one-step blow dryer and volumizer. Okay, so I'm just going to put my hair up. So I'm gonna start with this one, just since it's the closest. I also have some hair clips as well, so you can definitely use hair clips. So I like to start with my big section here. I have washed and conditioned my hair, and this is what my hair looks like just after I take my twist out. I detangled my hair in the shower, so it is very detangled and very soft and luscious. I love how my hair feels right now, but that is my section. I'm going to go ahead and just apply some leave-in conditioner. So the leave-in conditioner I'm using is the Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. I really love this a lot. It's like my favorite. I'm just going to take a small portion like this. I don't want to take too much because I'm going to be putting product into my hair as well, like more product and thicker product, so I don't want to weigh my hair down when I'm blow drying it. I'm then going to take my Jamaican Black Castor Oil, actual oil, and I'm going to put this on the ends of my hair. And then to make sure that it goes to all the hair strands, I'm just going to take my lovely Tangle Teezer and I'm just going to detangle from the bottom up. Awesome. So I'm just going to zoom back out here. So we now have a well moisturized, detangled hair. Now for the heat protectant. I like to use olive oils or as heat protection serum. This is like one of my favorites to use. So I'm actually just going to take some of this. So I'm just going to split this big section into smaller sections so I can work on that. It makes it a lot easier and I feel like it gives my blow dry a better look as well because I can focus on a small section at a time and I can really make sure that it's straight, nice, and blow dried. And I have my little small section here. I'm just gonna get my blow dryer and I'm actually going to use this on high heat. So this is your blow dryer. You're just going to turn it all the way to the end for high heat. And you can hear the difference when it's on low or when it's on high or when it's on cool. Obviously for cool, you'll feel the cool temperature. Low, you'll hear it a little bit quieter, but loud, it's really loud. I'm going to explain to you what I'm going to do. I'm actually just going to start from the bottom and work my way up. I'm just going to slowly run the blow dryer through my hair. And then once it gets a little bit straighter, that's when I'll move up the strands of my hair and then continue to pass the heat through my hair. So this is what my hair looks like after I blow dried that strand, that section. It looks super, super straight. I love it. Like, look at that. I can pass my hands through my hair. Looks amazing. I'm going to do one more section as well, and then I'm going to keep going until I get to the top. Ta-da! It is straight. I actually kind of learned a new trick when doing this, but you know the movement that you saw when I was like twirling it around? It actually made the ends of my hair a lot more straighter than it normally is. So this is really, really nice. I love it. So I'm just going to twist this section away. I'm going to continue on and then I'm going to get to the top and come back to you. this is how I do my blowouts now. I love the dryer so much. It makes everything a lot easier. Like, honestly, I get through my hair a lot faster than I used to. But now I can literally just take this style. I could do any other styles that I want to. If I want to do a twist out, I can do a twist out on this. If I want to braid it up, I definitely can. Awesome. Well, that is the end of my video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you did. Please thumbs up. Like I said, I'm just really stoked that my hair looks super good. If you guys have actually tried this Revlon One Step blow dryer, either the paddle brush or the same oval one that I have, let me know down in the comments and tell me if you like it or not. I actually love the oval one. Stay blessed, stay beautiful. Love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.